Hello, my beautiful mamas. I wanted to just jump on and do a quick video. I've got my little one on me, snoozing, breastfeeding, quite happy. So I wanted to jump on and talk about this idea. Let's get that focus a bit better. See if I can look that focus. Hello, my beautiful mamas. I wanted to jump on and give you a quick video all about tribe, creating your tribe, finding your tribe. And one of the big blocks that I'm finding is really coming up for a lot of women, a lot of mothers. And it's one that you're probably not going to necessarily recognize is related to tribe, but I'm going to explain why. So one of the blocks that comes up and how we struggle to really get into that tribe vibe, how we struggle to call in our tribe and integrate within a tribe, integrate within a community of mothers, is that we struggle to be able to receive from one another. And what I mean by that is when we are offered something by another mother, whether that might be helping with school pickup, school drop off, having a play date, taking the kids for a little bit for a few hours so you can get something done. It might even be something like, let me put together an evening meal and I will double it and you can have, some extra food kind of thing to put in the freezer. Like, it's those kinds of like offerings that we tend to give to one another. But the problem is that a lot of us really struggle to be able to accept those and to receive those offers from one another. And I'm still working through this myself. I am a lot more conscious now of noticing when this comes up, when I'm being offered these things. Now, of course, I'm not saying you have to accept every single offer that a mother ever gives you if it's not convenient for you, if you genuinely don't need the help. But what I find is that most mothers, especially mothers who we kind of attract into our circles, intuitively know when another mother needs help. We know the signs within each other, how we behave. And that is what propels us to offer these gifts to one another, to put this support, this offer of support and help to one another. But for so many of us, we kind of, it like taps into these triggers sometimes around not feeling like we're a good enough mum, not feeling like we can do it all, and that we need to rely on help from others in order to do that. But the crazy thing is that if you want to be a mother who has it all, and when I say has it all, I mean achieves all the things that they desire for their life, whatever that may look like, all of the things that they want from parenting, from their relationship, from a career, a business, deep diving into a hobby, whatever it is. As somebody who is clear and intentional about what it is that they want for their life and they go for that. That is what I mean when I say have it all. If you want to start stepping into a place of motherhood where you are doing this, you have to be able to receive from others, because in order to have it all, you have to realize that you can't do it all. And so accepting help from one another is a big, big part of that. And it's, like I was saying earlier, it is about trying to get to this place where you are integrating yourself with your tribe. And when you accept an offer from another mum, that is integrating your tribe. Think of a tribe. What do tribes have? They are a community of individuals. They have the same focus, the same goal that they are working towards. So in this case, with mothers, the goal is to raise our children. Normally there's a consistent goal as to how you want to raise your children, and you tend to have other mothers that are aligned to that. And the goal is also to raise yourself, to grow yourself, to look after yourself. So you all have the same goal. A tribe is a community that supports one another. It gives and receives. And this is where the receive part comes in. So often we are very good at the giving aspect of tribe, but we are not very good at the receiving part. But if you want to have and be part of a thriving community of mothers, a tribe of mothers, we have to learn to take both aspects, the receiving and the giving. When you offer something out to another mother and you say, look, let me pick the kids up Thursday afternoon and you can have a couple of hours because I know you really need to get this thing done. I don't mind. The kids will play really happily together. I can get them some snacks together, whatever it may be. And the other mum declines that, even though you know that she really needs that help. It's quite a hard thing to actually receive back. Whereas if that mum was able to really step into her fullness and not feel triggered as to the fact that this is someone pointing out that she's incapable of doing what it is that she needs to do, that accepting help is actually a strength, not a weakness, that mother would be able to turn around and say, do you know what? Thank you so much for that offer. I really appreciate it and I'd really like to take you up on that. There's strength in saying that. And then the person that has offered that, the mother that has offered that help, what an amazing feeling back to be like, oh, yes, she's going to accept this and I get to do this for her. And, and then I'm sure at some point she'll return the favor. And this is how it works, back and forth, back and forth. So if you want to start building that tribe feeling between yourself and a group of mothers, a tribe is so much more than just standing together in the playground at pickup and having a chat. A tribe is a community. It's about helping and supporting one another through your vulnerabilities and your strengths. So start to become conscious of whether you are able to receive from your tribe as much as you are able to give to it, because it takes both aspects to be part of a tribe and to start creating that tribe feeling amongst yourself and fellow mums. So let me know in the comments, is this something that you struggle with? Do you struggle to receive from other mums in particular? And do you find that this kind of prevents that community feeling between you? What does it feel like when another mother rejects your offer? Now, of course, there's nothing wrong with rejecting an offer of help if we genuinely don't need it. But if there is something that is saying to us, yes, I feel safe letting that person look after my children, and yes, they are aligned with the values that I have, and it's convenient and it ticks all the boxes, then why wouldn't you say yes? Okay, so next time that's offered and all your boxes are ticked for what it is that you need, say yes and see what happens. See what happens to the bond between yourself and that other mother and the tribe feeling, and let me know how you get on. And I also have a really exciting announcement, which is that I have finally got my Reclaim Your Motherhood guide all put together. It's 36 pages of just deep diving into what it is that you desire from motherhood. Check it out in the description box below. There is a link to it. All you have to do is just pop your name and your email address in and you will be sent the document straight away. And it is going to take you through the motherhood temple, This is your sacred space, your sacred inner space that covers all areas of motherhood. And if you follow Rebirth of the Mother, you will know that motherhood, from a Rebirth of the Mother perspective, is not just about parenting. That is one aspect of it. So this is going to take you through what you want for your marriage, or your relationship. This is going to take you through what you want for parenting, what you want from a career, a business, a hobby, a project, something for yourself, the artist within you. It's going to take you through tribe, and it's going to take you through the importance of self. And it's a completely free guide, and it's got loads of really juicy journal prompts that are going to start getting you to question, really bringing out those deep desires within you, because there is no way that you can have the type of motherhood you want if you don't know what it is in the first place. This is the first step to reclaiming the motherhood that you want, is getting really crystal clear on what it is that you desire. So check that out. That is in the description box below. Find the link and start reclaiming your motherhood today. And I will catch you in the next video.